Hi there, welcome to Ebbett Škoda. In this video, I'm going to take you through our new service process here at Tarapa. Let's get started. Enter our dealership from Tukofai East Road and make your way slowly to the Ebbett Škoda service department. Park closest to the entry in any of the available parks. Inside, you'll meet one of our friendly service advisors. They will go over your service requirements and transport options if required. If you've booked a waiting appointment, relax in one of our lounges with a complimentary coffee made by one of our talented staff. Browse the showroom or go to the base shopping centre. For longer services, we offer a shuttle home, into town or to your workplace. When your vehicle is complete, we can also pick you up at the end of the day. If you work nearby, we also have an e-bike available. Just let us know and we can book it for you. Need a courtesy vehicle? Please make sure to book this 2 weeks in advance. Once your service has been completed, your vehicle will go through our grooming bay to receive its complimentary wash and vac. When your vehicle is ready, one of our service advisors will talk you through the work that has been done on your vehicle and advise of any future maintenance required. And there you have it, your service experience with Ebbett Škoda. Thank you for watching this video and we hope to see you soon. For service bookings, call us on 07 838 2949 or try our online service booking tool.